Oh man, what's this all about? It's about the Olafus RGB LED floodlight kit. I'll talk about this light kit coming up on ThriftyAV. Lighting can be a lot of fun, and I had fun creating that open with these two lights that Olafus sent over to ThriftyAV. These are 25 watt IP66 RGB Flood Lights. They come two in the box and they come with remotes. But wait, these are out of the box. Let's back up and check out the unboxing. Before we get into the box, let's see what's on the outside of the box. It says Olafus RGB. Here's a model number, wattage, input voltage, color, life expectancy, 50,000 hours, beam angle, and there's no mercury in this. On the other side is a picture of the floodlight. We have some instructions, warranty card. Here is one of the lights. Says IP66 25 watts. Here's the other light. This is a 2-light kit. And a remote control. Make that 2 remote controls. It has a 2-prong plug without a ground, and the cord is about 3 feet long, so unless you're really close to an outlet, you will need an extension cord. Let's plug these things in. There is no physical on-off switch on these lights. They were on just as soon as I plugged them in, and they cause the neutral density filter on my camera to kick in. On the remote there is a little pull tab here. It should operate now. These remotes are not light specific. So if I turn on one light, then I'm turning on both lights. Of course, if you have these infrared sensors at different locations, then you're only going to control the light that you're pointing at. Well, maybe. Now I want to try the different color buttons. Let's do red. Okay, green, blue, white. Here's purple. So you have all these different shades of light. Now you can dim those lights using this up and down dimmer here. I can get it really bright, so bright that my neutral density filter kicks on my camera, or I can dim them down. If I want to create a custom shade, I have 3 DIY buttons down here, and if I hit it, it'll call up the custom shade. Now this left one's different than the right one because I was messing with the left one already. I have it set to blue there. Let's say I want to add some red in. I can increase the red. I can decrease the green. I can decrease the blue. And now my DIY 1 is different. Now DIY 2, on this one I have it set to kind of a purple. And DIY 3 I haven't messed with at all. Let's play with DIY 3. How about a green light? Take out all the red. I'm going to take out all the blue. Let's add back just a little bit of blue. That's kind of an aqua color. And now my DIY 3 is an aqua color. I'm backlit a little bit. There's a button here that says flash. It causes these to flash. Okay, so flash can be sped up, fast, or slow. And there are different speeds of fast and slow. And that's the fastest it'll go. And that is the slowest that's going to flash. Fade 3 goes through the 3 different colors RGB, and it fades through them. Fade 7 goes through 7 different colors in sequence. Jump 3 jumps through R, G, and B. I want to see if I can speed that up. And yes, quick will speed up the jumps. And jump 7 jumps through 7 different colors. And the auto button will go through fades, flashes, and jumps. And this might be fun for a DJ. There are 3 timer buttons here. There's 3 hour, 6 hour, and 12 hour. If I hit 3 hour, I believe this will continue for 3 hours. Now, I don't want to sit here for 3 hours and find out. And if I power the lights off and then on again, it remembers the setting I had them on and continues that setting. I've gone back to white just for a second. To access the battery, there's a little release button here. The battery is a CR2025 3-volt lithium cell. It should last plenty long in this remote. Each of these lights has the swivel bracket on the back that'll let you mount it different ways, either permanent or on a tripod through this hole right here. So this will be versatile as far as mounting goes. For example, here I mounted the light to a camera tripod using the 1/4" 20 post here, running through the center hole and using a wing nut to secure it. You're really only limited by your imagination as to what you can do with this lighting kit. Over here I have blue shining on some stuff. Over here I have green shining on some stuff. But I could pick any number of colors or even dial in a specific color if I wanted one. This floodlight kit is available on Amazon. I have an Amazon affiliate link in the description. ThriftyAV receives a small commission at no additional charge to you if you order through that link. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Thank you to my patrons for supporting this channel, and remember, stay thrifty, everyone.